Hiya guys, Nigel here with you again, but you knew that because you all know me. Just a quick video to say a massive thank you very much for all your amazing comments regarding my loss of mojo. I've had lots of emails. I may or not have replied to a couple of them because I've had so many, but and I haven't actually responded to all the comments that were made, but very, very good of you to take the time to do that. Thank you very, very much. As you may hear in the tone of my voice, I certainly am a bit happier. You've given me a bit of a lift. If you've been watching the Land Rover channel, the engine's gone back in now, so that's a weight off my mind. And now I'm starting to work on the bodywork, so we should have it all back together very soon. Regarding advice from you guys, it seems that there's a wide variation of opinions on what was going on, from people thinking I should go and see the doctor because I could have a depression issue, which I did wonder myself. I don't think it's that. I think it's just basically, as many people said, I think it's this year of having to do this and having to do that and comply, you know, and not being able to go out and meet friends and stuff, and not being able to do this and not doing that, and even to a certain extent now, if I go to the pub, having to put a mask on if you move around, having to use a certain entrance, not being able to go to the bar. It's just all a bit sort of 1984-ish, I guess. So I think maybe that's part of what's done it. The other thing is basically I've been getting up every day, looking on the computer, because I log every day the YouTube subscriber number, and then basically turning around making a video, or going out in the garage and working on the Land Rover or whatever. And I was just doing the same thing day in, day out, and a lot of you guys said, you know, try something different. So I've been going out for a drive and stuff, and just, you know, going out. The other thing that came through very strongly was pick up something different, something new, not something from the stash, just pick up something different and something new. Now I have got a Lego Saturn Apollo 11, which I've never built, so I may get stuck into that. I think that will be enjoyable. I think it's that sort of starting and finishing, which is the big thing. But also the other thing I've done over on the Land Rover channel, I started to do an RC Land Rover and then sort of stopped when it came to the point of painting the body because I couldn't decide what colour to use. So I've ordered some paint for the Land Rover, and I'm going to try the 2-pack paint on the Lexan and see if it works, and then we'll get that one done, because it'd be nice to have it in the same colour as my Land Rover is. So what did I do? I went and bought this. This here is a Tamiya M05 Toyota GR Yaris, as you can see there. Okay, Gazoo Racing Yaris, and this is a road car. It's actually like a rally homologation special that Toyota built to go rallying, but then of course the rallying never happened and the regs changed, so they reversed the process that normally they build a saloon car and then build a homologation special out of it. What they've done with this is build a homologation special to build the car from. So if you don't know much about the Yaris GR, if you notice it straight away, it's got 3 doors. It has only 4 parts of it are actually from an original Yaris, and that's the headlights, the tail lights, I think the mirrors, and the shark's fin on the roof for the aerial. So that's it. I mean, it's got an aluminium bonnet, aluminum if you're in America, aluminum doors, aluminum tailgate. It's got forged alloy wheels, 4-wheel drive. It's a mental car. It's really, really good. So I thought I'd get this. The only trouble is it's an M05 chassis, which is 2-wheel drive. And Tamiya have a huge range of 4-wheel drive chassis, and they make this 2-wheel drive. And I don't know if you can see it, but up there is a radio controlled Tamiya Mustang, and that's 4-wheel drive. So I don't know. So I have got a couple of extras for it as well. So what I'll do, when I'm good and ready, I'll do an unboxing of that so you can all see what's in there, and I will kind of aim the unboxing at people who've never seen one of these RC kits before, so you can see what you're getting, because I know that certainly I don't know about now, but I know many years ago people used to pay model shops to build them for them because they're kind of scared of building them, and then, you know, you can buy the Tamiya ready to run models now. I've never seen the attraction in buying anything ready to run, but you know, hey ho. So yeah, we'll do a video and I'll show you what you need to get and the special paint you need and all this, that and the other. And then go from there. Whether I do a build video, I don't know. I'll probably do a video on prepping and painting the body, because I think that'll be helpful to a lot of people. Build video of the chassis, I don't know, maybe a time-lapse thing. I've never done one of those. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll do something, but I'm determined to get it started and finished and running around on the driveway within the next week or two. So I've got all the radio gear I need. I've got everything. I'll show you everything you need to get it. And I've also bought bearings for it. I always buy bearings. I never use the bushes that come with the kit. They're so cheap. They're worth having. So but anyway, that's what I've done. So thank you very much, guys. You've sort of shown me that there is some love out there. There's some appreciation of me out there, which is really nice. And as I say, if you haven't looked at the Land Rover channel, go take a look, Nigel's Land Rover channel. And please subscribe to that one as well. We're getting nearly 900 now, so it'd be nice to get to the 1,000. And yeah, we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks again for all your comments. Thanks for all those that donate to the channel and everything. You're a great bunch. Thank you very, very much. I'll see you all really soon with a unboxing of this one, and hopefully get things going again. Bye for now.